Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? For thousands of years, humans have gazed at the stars, dreaming about what lies beyond our world. That ancient curiosity, that deep-seated desire to explore, is what fuels one of humanity's greatest adventures. Space exploration. Today, we're not just dreaming. We're doing it. And it's all thanks to the incredible partnership between science and technology. So, how do we journey to the stars? It all starts with a question. Science is our way of asking those questions and finding the answers. Through the laws of physics, we understand gravity and motion, figuring out how to launch something off our planet and guide it through the cosmos. Through astronomy, we map the heavens, identifying distant planets, stars, and galaxies. And through chemistry, we analyze the composition of celestial bodies, learning what they're made of from millions of miles away. Science gives us the fundamental knowledge, the blueprint of the universe. Without this deep understanding, space exploration would still be just a fantasy. But a blueprint is just a piece of paper without the tools to build the house. That's where technology comes in. Technology is the engine that brings our scientific dreams to life. Think about the sheer power needed to escape Earth's gravity. We build colossal rockets, magnificent feats of engineering, that generate millions of pounds of thrust to push spacecraft into orbit and beyond. These aren't just simple machines. They are the culmination of decades of research and development. In space, the challenges are immense. It's a realm of extremes: blistering heat, bone-chilling cold, and a constant barrage of cosmic radiation. To survive, our astronauts and our delicate instruments need protection. Technology provides the solution in the form of advanced materials. We've developed special alloys that can withstand incredible temperatures, and lightweight composites that are stronger than steel. The visors on astronaut helmets are coated with a thin layer of gold to reflect harmful solar radiation. Every piece of a spacecraft, every layer of a spacesuit, is a marvel of material science, designed to keep our explorers safe in the harshest environment imaginable. Perhaps one of the most transformative gifts of space technology is something we use every single day. Satellites. These silent guardians orbit our planet, and their impact on our modern lives is almost immeasurable. When you make a phone call to someone on the other side of the world, that signal is likely bounced off a satellite. When you check the weather forecast, you're seeing data collected by satellites, monitoring cloud patterns and atmospheric conditions from above. And of course there's GPS. That tiny blue dot on your map, guiding you to your destination, is made possible by a network of at least 24 satellites, all working in perfect sync. They even play a critical role in disaster management, helping us track wildfires, predict hurricanes, and coordinate rescue efforts. Space technology isn't just out there. It's right here, in the palm of your hand, making our world more connected and safer. But what about exploring places too dangerous or too distant for humans to visit? For that, we send our robotic emissaries. These are our eyes, ears, and hands on other worlds. Rovers like Perseverance and Curiosity on Mars are robotic geologists. Trundling across the red planet's surface, they drill into rocks, analyze soil samples, and capture breathtaking high-definition panoramas, all while searching for clues about whether life ever existed there. These robots are incredibly resilient, operating for years in a hostile environment. Powered by the sun or small nuclear generators, they send back a constant stream of invaluable data that scientists on Earth pore over, rewriting our understanding of our planetary neighbors. And it's not just Mars. We've sent probes to fly by Jupiter, orbit Saturn, and even venture into interstellar space, like the legendary Voyager spacecraft, which are still sending back signals after more than 40 years of travel. And the technology keeps getting smarter. The latest revolution in space exploration is the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Space missions generate an astronomical amount of data, far too much for humans to sift through manually. This is where AI, it can analyze telescope images to find new exoplanets, or process data from a rover to identify scientifically interesting rock formations. AI is also making our spacecraft more autonomous, for missions to distant planets where the communication delay can be hours long. The spacecraft needs to be able to make its own decisions. AI can help it land and navigate a safe touchdown on its own, or allow a rover to independently plot a course around obstacles. This fusion of AI and space hardware is making our missions more efficient, more capable, and safer than ever before. But the benefits of space exploration don't stay in space. The push to solve the unique challenges of space travel has led to an incredible number of innovations that have improved life right here on Earth. This is what's known as spin-off technology. You might be sleeping on one right now. Memory foam was originally developed by NASA to improve crash protection in aircraft seats. The camera in your phone? It's a direct descendant of the compact, low-power imaging sensors created for spacecraft. Other spin-offs include cordless power tools, freeze-dried food, advanced water purification systems, and even medical imaging technologies like MRI and CAT scans, which benefited from digital signal processing techniques developed for the Apollo program. By reaching for the stars, we often find solutions to problems on Earth. So, when we look at a rocket launch or a new image from Mars, we're seeing more than just an amazing spectacle. We are witnessing the powerful synergy of science and technology. Science provides the why and the how, giving us the knowledge to understand the universe. Technology provides the what, giving us the tools to go there and see for ourselves. Together, they form a cycle of discovery. A new scientific question pushes us to develop new technology, and that new technology allows us to make new scientific discoveries, which in turn lead to even more questions. This grand endeavor is about more than just collecting rocks and taking pictures. Space exploration speaks to the very core of what it means to be human. It's about our innate drive to explore, to learn, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. It unites people from all over the world in a shared goal, reminding us that we are all crew members on this one small planet, Spaceship Earth. It inspires the next generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. Space exploration is a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of progress, and a beacon of hope for our future. Thank you so much for watching. If you're fascinated by space and the technology that gets us there, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you and miss our next journey into the cosmos. See you next time.